So e get issue one address, so now make I hold the water till they cool myself. Because I don't receive the video since how many days now, and the thing they pain me. But I said today I go address am. Your Excellency, sir, Governor Godwin Obaseki, I shock when they tell me say na wetin you come share for my village na be this.
Eyara ile ọ̀pọ̀ na wo se wo hin rebe. Eyara riku man. Ona iza iga ina ri wa na hin. Two packets of Indomie. Indomie, not enough. I think you know, okay.
Leo table.
Okay, but 40 naira. And I will give 40 naira.
On our beans.
Film whatever we are doing.
On our beans. On our easel.
Video.
No, you sef think am. Not be say this thing when you share now they give every home oh, like that. The way you take bring am say you give them one oh. They all use backup bag quarter, no even reach half. They bring something for the full community. Say this one are for the whole Ebohimi. No now. You are my governor and I love you so much. I respect you a lot. Because I know how many people get injury and I know how many people when get one or two things during the when they fight for you. Because even somebody when not win election, I can still remember one man, what they call whether na Barrister Ken Imansu. Yes, I know him very well. Barrister Ken Imansu. I shock. When he even they campaign, he never win election. See food when he they share. No, see him now. See what he share. Campaign, now campaign. When you campaign, you not share food. So we get hope say now when you enter, everybody go chop belle food. They vote you. Nah. Kenneth Imansu when not win election, when he they campaign, he share this one. Imagine safe to say win. I forbid. No, it's very annoying. Say you carry this kind backup bag, quarter, you never reach half. Say now you can't share for the full Ebohimi. And I will hear say now so that can't share for the whole Esa land. What even pay me pass? You can't even bring one sanitizer come for my village. Okay, what did happen now? One sanitizer for my village. Okay, they'll pour for person and they'll see come go pour for another person. It's annoying. If person when don't win election, if share this kind of food, how you Obaseki you can't share this kind of thing give my village? If you not bring anything, leave them. People will survive. I go bring this kind of rice come for us, so many people call it chop. Because me when they hear so me MC Abino, I not believe say now waiting you bring for us with this. No my Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, I know you cannot bring this to my village. Say me they can't share them for my people. No. So we won't hear say person when can't share them. Say you ask a question or you deal with people when bring them. At that time we believe say not be waiting you bring with this. Say they cheat us or they remove for inside or they rob us. They carry some go some place. Then they come bring this little one come for us. Because if not, I don't believe say you a whole Godwin Obaseki. No now. I trust you now. You can't bring this thing to our village. If now waiting you bring come out for government house, say me they can't share for Ebohimi people that be this. I don't even blame you. Because now my Ebohimi people, now they are blame. In fact, the whole of Eastern States. Because we get great men. We have people that have money. We have people that have surplus to eat, to even give to people. Una get money. There's some people that get money. Una get. I know people, I don't want to mention name. I know people for the whole Eastern States. In fact, let me not be only Ebohimi quarter. Eastern States in general, whether Emu, Owadua, Okwesa, Ewato, everything, all of them. I know people when get money. Mona break, come out, mona share to the people. Hungry want keep people. Go and share something. Give them. If you don't know how to share, contact us. Not be only me. Ask me, join people. May you not come say if you give me, you not fine. Bring them. Tell me how you want me to take share and bring people who go distribute them. You cannot be doing giveaway online. Who not subscribe? Not they online. They go drop account number. Person when they online, they drop account number. You don't chop belly full. Old people full house. People there when they disabled. People there when not get work. People there when they won't get farm. Bring. People get things. Una get things in excess. If okay, sabat dagbare. You okay sababa reba don't re me never wa. Oh ha me agbole wa. Now they talk say if I can't share money for them now, or if I share food for them, which go come they worry me. Oh God, whether you share, you not share. Who know how which something which not the kill them. My even clear now all the which for instance now that they hungry. If you give them food, they not kill you. Go and share something, give them. Oh no, how much data? Bring money, bring food, come and share for some people. Because this one is embarrassment, insult. See what thing they bring for the in fact, Esan say, oh, I even they hear and say, I'm waiting they share for the OS and so they take share. It's an insult. When I come to the rescue of our people, bad dog guy me never. Bad dog guy me, hey politician, bad guy me never. How many agbe wa? Azen egbe no le azen ale basu we egbugwe. Ade woman, let me tell you, azen the wow how many they are hungry. So if you give them food now, they're going to pray for you. They cannot kill you.